This is called Blazing Arrows. Now look, this is kind of cool, but wait until I show you this. Look when you put it together with multiples of them. These are really blazing arrows. I really, really love this. Very simple to do too. I'm going to kind of lay this out as I talk about it. I chose 3-inch half square triangles for this. Now you can choose whatever size HSTs you like. And the fabric I'm using here is part of the New Worlds collection by Rob Appel. It's a Benartex fabric, and we're going to link to that fabric collection in the description of this video. So this is the basic layout. Now because I chose 3-inch half square triangles, my finished quilt block is going to come out to be about 10¼ inches. So you may have to do the math on yours if you want a different outcome. But this is the basic outline, so screenshot that if you want to do that. It's totally all HSTs, so that's the simplest way to do it. Now as you know, when you sew these together, you do these in pairs. So I'd sew these two, end up with a bunch of 2s. Then sew your 2s together and make some 4s. Put your 4s together and then put your top to your bottom. And that is basically how you do it. Now look, I love the outcome of this. Isn't this pretty? Very easy to do. So if you're a beginner, this one may be for you. I hope you will follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as always, happy sewing.